Heritage 100. We believe progress builds trust. Brick by brick, floor by floor. We're excited to share with you the construction progress of Tower 1 at Heritage 100. Currently, all electrical wiring for Tower 1 is now 80% complete, laying the systems that will power your everyday comfort. Mechanical and plumbing works are now 75% complete. Window and glazing installations are also actively being worked on, with 55% already in place to let in natural light while keeping the structure sealed and secure. On the lower floors, tiling, painting and interior finishes have commenced, now at 50% completion and rising steadily. And up top, our rooftop amenities are scheduled to begin next month, soon to be the crown jewel of Tower 1. Our team is actively installing kitchen cabinets and wardrobes, which is currently 20% complete. We are working floor by floor to ensure quality at every level. Exterior and facade works have also kicked off, bringing the building's signature look to life. We remain on track for completion in late December 2025. And as always, should anything change, you'll be the first to know. Heritage 100. Progress you can see. Trust you can feel.